Craving a quick and easy to prepare recipe? Well, here's a delightfully simple recipe for an avocado grilled cheese sandwich that's sure to satisfy. First, gather all the necessary ingredients. You'll need 2 slices of your favorite bread. Sourdough makes for an excellent choice. Get a ripe avocado, half a cup of shredded cheese, cheddar, mozzarella, or any melting cheese you prefer will do. You'll also need butter or olive oil for grilling, and salt and pepper for seasoning. For those who enjoy an extra burst of flavor, consider adding optional toppings like sliced tomato or cooked bacon. Now onto the preparation. Begin by mashing the ripe avocado in a bowl until it's smooth. Season it with salt and pepper to taste for that perfect tang. Once that's done, spread the mashed avocado evenly onto 1 slice of your bread. Next, sprinkle your shredded cheese on top of the avocado. If you're using additional toppings like sliced tomato or cooked bacon, now's the time to layer them on top of the cheese. Once everything's stacked up, place the second slice of bread on top to form a sandwich. Now comes the grilling. Heat a skillet or griddle over medium heat and add a small amount of butter or olive oil. Carefully place your prepared sandwich onto the skillet or griddle. Cook it for 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until the bread turns golden brown and the cheese has melted to perfection. And there you have it. Once both sides of your sandwich are crispy and the cheese is beautifully melted, remove it from the heat. Let it cool for a minute or 2, then slice it diagonally and serve hot. So there you have it, a delicious and creamy avocado grilled cheese sandwich, ready in minutes. Feel free to customize it with your favorite ingredients or dips. Enjoy this simple and satisfying recipe that's perfect for any time of the day.